We have got all our red ingredients along with our white vanilla ice creams into our blue container. Red, white, and blue, because this summer is the 250th anniversary of the United States. We're just gonna add some fun red candies, Swedish fish. You know, Sweden is one of the US's allies. We have got a lot of variety of juices in here. We've got some cranberry, we've got some Hawaiian punch, fruit tropical, some Fresca soda. We've also got a variety of our frozen fruits. We've got some strawberries, some raspberries, some cherries, sticking with that red, white, and blue theme. And now we are just finishing this off with our patriotic candies. This is gonna be perfect for your July 4th celebration. You can do this in a cooler if you need to travel with it. Keeps it insulated and cool, but the ice creams work to cool this as they melt. Now for the moment of truth, I'm gonna get some of this delicious, delicious treat right into my glass here. Oh, make sure I get some candy. Perfect. Happy birthday, America. You gotta try it.